is Pernille. I am the supervisor of Poké Ono at the Renaissance Marketplace location. I wanted to talk to you guys about some specials that we have this week. On Mondays, we have the Poke Bowls at $20, and you get a free mini version of appetizers, choosing from the lumpias, the chicken karaage, or the wings. On Tuesday nights, we have the bales on special. Every bale becomes $5 per piece, meaning you can mix and match however you'd like. And on Wednesday nights, all soups are at $20, and you get to choose from either the gyozas or the beef tataki as your mini appetizer. On Thursday nights, all of our sushis become $19.99. We have 7 different to choose from, and the cevichado is one of my favorites. And on Friday night, my favorite night of the week, with the purchase of any bao, bowl, or sushi, you can get a complimentary tropical Fu Manchu. So, come get the special during the week between 5 to 9 p.m. We are open every day from 11 to 10 and on Sundays, 12 to 10. We're located at the Renaissance Marketplace. We'll see you soon.